Weather Service
in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme southeastern Imperial County in southeast California, west central Yuma County in southwest Arizona. This includes the cities of Yuma, Somerton, Fortuna Foothills, until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time and 4:36 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Fortuna Foothills and moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Blaisdell and Derby. If you are in the warning area, go inside a sturdy building. Remember, a severe thunderstorm will produce damaging winds and deadly lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 5:15 p.m. Pacific